Wealthfront investing is a low-cost and efficient way to manage your investments, offering a range of services and tools to help you achieve your financial goals. To get started with Wealthfront investing, first understand the concept of low-cost index fund investing, which is the foundation of Wealthfront's investment strategy. This approach involves investing in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds, which track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. The next step is to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance, as this will help you create a personalized investment plan. Wealthfront offers a range of investment accounts, including individual and joint accounts, retirement accounts, and trusts. Choose the account that best fits your needs and goals. Once you have created your account, you will need to fund it by linking your bank account and transferring money. Wealthfront has a low minimum investment requirement of $500, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. The company also offers a range of investment portfolios, each with a different asset allocation, so you can choose the one that best fits your risk tolerance and investment goals. Wealthfront's investment portfolios are designed to be tax efficient, which means they are structured to minimize tax liabilities. The company also offers a range of other services, including financial planning, investment management, and tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting involves selling securities that have declined in value to offset gains from other investments, which can help reduce your tax liability. To get the most out of Wealthfront investing, it is essential to have a long-term perspective and to avoid making emotional investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. It is also important to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these tips and best practices, you can use Wealthfront investing to achieve your financial goals and build a secure financial future. Wealthfront's low-cost and efficient investment approach, combined with its range of services and tools, make it an attractive option for investors who want to manage their investments in a smart and effective way.